Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle, and today I'm going to lift a couple of bits of garlic from pots that I've had growing in the garden. Last year when I harvested my garlic, I had a few monobulbs. I also had a few little bulbs that were grown inside the neck there, some of my garlics. So I put them in pots and then promptly forgot about them. So here we've got 3 pots. This has 4 little plants in that grew from the bulbs in the neck, whereas this one and this one, both from the monobulbs. They're starting to go now, and I think I might as well harvest them. So we'll see what they look like. Okay, so I'm doing this one-handed, with one hand on the camera. So let's have a look at this first. This is quite dry in there, but this is from one of the garlics that had the monobulbs. Let's see what they've done. Looks like they've grown to be slightly larger monobulbs. Look at that root system. I've kept these water and looked after, I might have had a decent crop out of them, but I didn't. So let's just peel them apart. Thing is, they will be eaten anyway. Yep, I've got a larger monobulb. Another one. So these are all monobulbs. I'm pretty certain there were little monobulbs when they went in. The sizes are okay, these will be lovely roasted. 1 bulb per person. They haven't split, and that could be because I haven't watered them enough. So let's have a look at those little bulbs, see if they've got any size to them. It's not easy to do one-handed, but there we go. Again, the roots are out. Little monobulbs. So I could plant these and get bigger monobulbs. So these were little bulbs that were growing in the neck of the garlic. So you're just above the bulb around this height. And that's given us, what I expected was these to be rounds. Then planted up, they might be able to grow into bigger rounds or into garlic heads. So I might plant some of these again just to see what they come out as. But then again, I might eat them. Haven't decided. But we've got one more bucket. Loads of root, so healthy plants, and here you go. Yeah, nice big single bulbs. Another one. Oh, I can smell his garlic, wonderful. So yeah, they've all given us single monobulbs. But they're still not bad, they were free. I haven't decided if I'm going to eat them or plant them. I'll figure that out later on. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video. If you like this, click on like, leave a comment, share it, and I'll see you later.